Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today in this video we will see how to manage read receipt on web. I wonder why you want to know how to manage read receipt on web. Maybe because you want to keep your privacy by not letting the other person know that if you have seen the message or not. Or maybe you think that when you see the message, people start sending you message thinking that you are online, or maybe they're asking for the reply. So you don't want that. Or it could be any other reason for you. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first you have to make sure that you have already installed the BIP app, and if you have not installed it then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once it get installed, make sure you create your account on it and you're logged in with that account on your device. After that you just have to tap on the icon of the BIP app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have options almost all over the screen, but at the bottom we have three options. The left option is for the chats, the middle one is for all the call logs that you have done on the app, but we have to go to the third option, which is more, which is on the right. You just have to simply tap on it and the more section will open. Once it gets open, you will see multiple options on your screen. So from all these options, what you have to do is you just have to scroll down, and there you will see this option, which is settings. It also has a settings icon with it. You just have to simply tap on it. So through this option we could manage our work. Once you get there, on the top you will read settings, and you will see a lot of different options. So all these options are different from each other and has their own specific task. So from all these options we have to get to this first option, which is chat settings. So for that just simply tap on this option so we could get into that option. Once you get there, on the top you will read chat settings and there see all the options that are related to chats. So from all these options you could see this second last option, which is read receipt. So if you don't know what a read receipt is, so I'll tell you that when you send someone a message and they see it, so you will get to know. And when someone sends you a message and you reads it or seen it, so that other person will get to know that you have seen the message. So this is called read receipt. If you don't want that, if you don't want the other person to if you have read the message or not, so you just have to click on the option, which is a blue option along with read receipt. Once you click on it, that option will be disabled and the other person will not be able to know if you have read the message or not. But this option will work same for you as well. If someone messages you and you read it, they will not get to know if you have seen the message or not. But when you send someone a message, they read it, so you will not get to know if the other person has seen your message or not. So if you're okay with that, you can disable it. But if you don't want that, so you have to turn it on, because this option works vice versa. So it's all up to you. Whatever you want to do with that option, you can do that by just tapping on this option. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can manage the read receipt on web. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.